gosh, look at the sparkle. Other stores like Nordstrom Rack or something would have charged $40 for this. You guys, look how pretty. Hey guys, it went from summer to a blistery fall in an instant. So let's get out of the house and go to HomeGoods. Did you know that according to a 2023 retail survey, Americans alone planned on spending $231 on holiday decor? So let's see how this all adds up for us. Okay, as soon as I walked in, I saw this gorgeous wreath, but I had to walk away because I just purchased 2 deep plum wreaths from my front door, so I just couldn't be impulsive and pick them up. But what I'm noticing is there's a lot of pink going on this holiday season. Let me know in the comments, has pink holidays been in style for the last 10 years straight, or is it making a comeback? Items, a lot of cloth, napkins, a lot of placemats, everything was half off. So the price, $14.99, meant it was $7. So I really had a nice time looking around. Like, look at those chargers. You could do a little Thanksgiving, a little Halloween situation on your dining table. Super cute. This little section, usually I don't really like the clearance bins because I don't really find a lot of cute stuff, but like these Rachel Zoe napkins, I just love them, and they were $7. Okay, I was debating, do I need napkin rings? Now, I have a big family, 8 children, so I definitely need like 3 boxes of napkin rings, and I wasn't finding any matching sets. Oh my gosh, I almost purchased this table runner. It was kind of expensive. I think it was $19.99 or $22.99, but I really like the embroidered little ghosts. It will be super cute, but considering Halloween is in 3 days, I decided to put it back. Okay, right here with these cute little picks. They didn't have the prices on them, but how could you incorporate those in your decor? Let me know if you guys use picks. I mean, I don't know where I'd even put the picks. So of course, all the pinks pulled me in. I mean, what cute decor for Christmas. The little gingerbread houses and the little cakes. Such a sweet idea, but $39.99 was a bit steep, especially since I may not want to decorate in that style over and over and over again. So anything by Rachel Zoe, I really like. And those were just some little garlands. You could see the price there. Super cute, but they're unbreakable, so they're plastic, and I felt like that made it look a little cheap, the fact that they weren't metal and they were made out of plastic. So right here they have little garlands, and I think they're about, I wouldn't say 6 feet, but I don't know how wide, maybe 4 feet. I was drawn to this pink Christmas tree. Look, it looks like candy, you guys. I'm gonna get these bottle brush trees, but I know I have some in my garage. My problem is every holiday I pack up all my holiday decor, put it in a Tupperware bin, stuff it in the attic, and then I just go buy new things instead of going through my old bin. But I think I have an idea what I have. So for this season, I want to try to incorporate some black into the Christmas theme. I've never done anything like that before. And I want to also incorporate some shiny silver. Like, look at those glittery trees. So cute, so festive, perfect for the holiday. Now, if you're not into the sparkly, you could always do some sort of like natural holiday decor. Like, look at these made out of twigs, like those type twigs you find near the beach. I really like that section, and I was torn. Do I want the earthy and natural, or do I want the sparkly? Here to find pinch pots, either pinch pots or little ramekins, small little bowls that I can use when I'm cooking, because the other day I made a sauce and I didn't have a mini bowl to put the sauce in, and I was kicking myself because I could have grabbed it when we went to TJ Maxx. So right here, salt and pepper shakers. That's a little mini butter dish for $4.99. Super tiny. I guess you could put it on the Thanksgiving table. I'm not sure. So who here has tons of placemats? Oh my gosh, I have Valentine's placemats, Halloween placemats. So many different table runners, but these were super cute. But I think it's smart to go for like something neutral for a table runner. That way you can use it over and over and over again. Like this one right here with the woven texture, super cute. All right, this was a section I was looking for. I asked someone where all the barware was and they pointed to the other side of the aisle and I was shocked. They had like a whole 3 little sections for just barware. They had glasses, cocktail shakers, margarita mixes. They had a plethora of options. So I had so much fun just scouring the shelves and picking cute items for my bar. By the way, I did do a mini bar makeover, which I will link below. Okay, who here loves peppermint bark? Oh my gosh, I love peppermint bark so much. I just think the combination of chocolate and mint is so good. They had so many options. These would be so cute for a teacher's gift, office party. Actually, I should have picked that up for the office and gave them out, but like as part of a basket. But yes, they had a whole big section of peppermint bark. Super duper cute, guys. Check out HomeGoods right now for Christmas. You will not be disappointed. Napkins. Happy holidays. No, just kidding. There's nothing in here, but this is the first thing that I got from HomeGoods. $5.99, but I just think it's so cute, especially if you're like a content creator and you want to create like little moments with your hot cocoa or your hot toddy or your coffee. Super cute. So that's the first thing that I got from HomeGoods. This next thing was $16.99, black reindeer. I want to try to incorporate some black elements for Christmas on my little console. Right now, the way my console looks is cute because it has like the Halloween decor, which I love as well. I just think it's so chic. But I want to replace it with some silver and some black. So look at this one. This one was $19.99. Look at the sparkle, guys. Oh my gosh, look at the sparkle. Super cute. Like this was $19.99, and to me this was worth more. Like other stores like Nordstrom Rack or something would have charged $40 for this. So this and this will be super cute together. Okay, the next thing I got, so I really went there because I'm starting to, even though my plan didn't work, I want to go to HomeGoods when I have like something in mind to purchase. So I want to get barware, and I wanted to get little pots so I can put like my tomb. Like if you watched my last video, I made this like Iranian sauce for chicken, and I need little bowls. So the only ones they had were these, and they're kind of basic for $4.99. They're just like basic. In culinary school, we call them ramekins, but super basic. Oh, by the way, stay to the end because I'm going to show you a really good taquito recipe from scratch with homemade salsa verde. But anyhow, so I got 4 ramekins, $4.99 each. So that's like what, $1.25 each. Super good deal. Little dishes, bowls you could put on top of your plate so people can dip their little sauces in. Okay, then so we have a ice machine. And everyone's always grabbing their ice with their fingers. So I thought this was cute. $4.99. Was this $6.99 little dishes. So these and these, they're kind of the same or interchangeable. This could work for like little sushi with your soy sauce and your wasabi. This could work for your little dipping sauces as well. I wasn't sure which one to get, so I got them both. And these are always good when you just need them in a pinch. You just go to the top of your cabinet and you pull them, and you're always glad you purchased them, right? Okay, so the next thing I got for the bar was this. So my girl, Christina DiStefano here on YouTube purchased these. It has like a marble base, perfect for cocktail. And I actually had to ask the girl in HomeGoods, how do I use these? She said this measures the shot, a single or a double. This is like a beer or, yeah, like an opener. This one is when you have your shaker and you want to pour it out, you use this like a strainer so the ice doesn't get in. This is a little spoon. Yeah, super cute set for $19.99. One good thing about HomeGoods, most of the items are going to be like $19.99 or under, you know? So another item I got from the bar, which was so cute. Look, what does it say? He sees you when you're drinking. So cute, right? So apropos. Okay, this is the other holiday martini set. You get sugar, cookie, gingerbread, candy cane, cranberry, and apple cider. All you gotta do is add vodka, those little flavors. But that was cute. For the kids, I got these peppermint bark spoons for $6.99. They can mix up their hot cocoa, chocolate milk. I could even use it for coffee. I really like mint and chocolate together. It's one of my favorite combinations. So yeah, peppermint bark spoons. Another thing I got for the kids was this. Somebody else picked it up and I had to get it. It was $7.99. Isn't this cute? Little Snoopy container. It's like quality lid. I just like the colors. I used to watch Snoopy growing up on TV. Did you guys? Yeah. So cute. So I got that. All right. Another thing I got, which is perfect for parties, is this Sharper Image fondue maker. So not only can you make your fondue and you have your meats, your roast, your cured meats, your baguettes, your sliced sourdough, your mustards, you can dip that in, but you can also do something like this for a kid's party, like raspberries, pineapples, blueberries, marshmallows, strawberries, and dip it in chocolate. And I'm sure, okay, it comes with a fondue maker, removable pot, serving tray, fondue forks, dishwasher safe, and it's adjustable heat. Yeah, I thought this was cute. This was the most expensive thing I got. It was $29.99, but perfect for serving. I'm almost in my hosting girl era. I just need to make some friends out here. All right, so the last couple things I got. Oh, I got this for the bar too. Look at these coupe glasses. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how pretty. Yeah. Right? Elegant. So I got those for the bar. And I got these for the kitchen. These were $10, but they're so well made, high quality, thick. You get three, so $3.33 each. That's not bad. Perfect for the Christmas season. Really like these. Okay, then these Rachel's. I was gonna put these back, but considering it was $14.99, then it was reduced to $7. I thought that was a good deal. These Rachel Zoe napkins, so cute for Thanksgiving. Set the table with these. If you look closely, there's like berries and greenery on like a woven natural texture. I think that's cute. Okay, then, so I have 3 fireplaces in my house. I'm more like minimal, kind of simple style, so I haven't decorated a lot. And my husband and my kids always say this house seems bare. So I thought I got 3. Oh well, only got 2 garlands. I got this one for the playroom, a bunch of Santas, which is appropriate because it's a playroom. It's where our big TV is, the PlayStation. It's off the kitchen, so it's kind of noisy. So I got this for the playroom. And then I got these for either my bedroom or the former living room. And I like the colors. These were $15 each. Okay, oh, this is the last thing I got. This was the most expensive. I got this garland for the fireplace. And it looks really real, right? And it has the little holly berries. And it's pretty long, it's 6 feet. So this can go on the fireplace. And the next video, we will definitely spruce up and zhuzh up the house for the holidays. But right now, let's go in the kitchen and I'm gonna show you this fabulous recipe.
We're gonna make some taquitos with salsa verde. So take some tomatillos, some peppers and an onion, char them so they're should be a little blacker than that, but that'll do just fine. Then you're gonna throw it in a blender or a NutriBullet with just enough water to cover and some chicken bouillon. But after that, you're gonna boil it and simmer it down and add salt to taste. Now this was a chicken breast that I just threw in the crock pot. See, I hate chicken breast, but I figured I'll just stew it for a few hours till it's shreddy, and then I can eat it once I camouflage it in the taquito, because like I said, to me, chicken breast is very dry, so I really don't like it. So I put it in the Cuisinart with 3 cooked potatoes and some cilantro and a little piece of onion. I learned this from a taqueria in San Francisco where they add papas or potatoes to their taquitos, and it's so good. So in order to get your tortillas pliable, I put them in the microwave for like 20 seconds, wrapped in a wet paper towel, and it steams them so that I can fold them without them cracking. So I folded about 5 or 6, and while my oil was heating, I just fried them up. So the meal is basically done. I just topped the taquitos with our salsa verde, some shredded lettuce, and don't forget your cheese and sour cream. I like to use cotija cheese because it has this bite. It's a little bit salty, and voila, we are done. Let's see. Hey guys, we got a lot of goodies. Make sure to stay tuned for the next video because we will decorate the home for the holidays.